Okay, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode, all right? After that, you can now just walk into the scene, all right? Look at it with your hand fan. Then position yourself, do as if you blew yourself with the hand fan. Then after that, you can now bring out the hand fan, all right? You can stay there for a few seconds and do as if you are looking at somebody maybe or something on that fan. After that, you can do as if you throw it out, then you can walk out, all right? You come back for the second time now, all right? Just do as if you jump and stay there for a few seconds, and after that, you can now walk out, all right? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video and locate volume. Click on volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want the video to start from, all right? From here now, you click on the video, make a split, delete this first part, we don't need it again. Locate where you want it to end, all right? Immediately you throw, before you go out, come back a bit. Then you click here now and make a split, delete the last part. Then you come back now, click on overlay, add overlay, import this other video here, import it, then you make it fit the screen now, all right? Then locate where you need in this part. From this place, click on it, locate freeze, okay? Locate freeze, click on freeze now, you freeze this part, click on this one, click it and delete it. Click on the other one and delete it. Click this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. After that, you click on it now and locate remove BG. Click on remove BG now, auto remover. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. Click it and drag it to the end of the video. Align it. Then you come back now. Then you add your keyframe here. Click on the video and add keyframe. Then you cropple that character and adjust it up. Cropple him, take it up. Take it up and cropple him out completely. After that, now you locate where you throw your hand, then you start revealing the character again. Review the character, open it, reveal the character again, open it. Use your two fingernail, open it. After revealing it, drag it down to that hand fan, all right? So as you drag it down now, what you are going to be doing, remember it's a hand fan that you are using. There is no way your hand is going to be stable. So as you are moving the video, you are adjusting the character to make sure that the character is seated on top of that hand fan, all right? So as you are adjusting the video, look at what I am going to be doing. As I'm adjusting the video now, I am going to be, all right, adjusting the character to make sure that the character is on top of that hand fan. Look at what I am doing. Just take example of what I am doing. You do your own so that it's going to be smooth, all right? So as you are adjusting the character, you are adjusting. So this is what you keep doing, all right? Follow it gradually. You can see that is what I am doing. Just do your own so that it will look smooth, all right? Do it gradually until you get to that part where you want to throw the character out. This place is another place where there is another work here. So this place, don't rush it so that your throw will be very smooth. You do this place gradually. Take time here so that you will get the perfect thing you want, so that your throw will be very smooth. As you can see what I am doing, I am taking time to do mine, all right? Just take your time, calm down, do it gradually so that you will get the exact thing you want. After that, after here now, you drag it down. This throw part is where you need to take your time, all right? After you have finished doing it now, then you are going to play the video from the beginning. After positioning the character at the point you want, play the video from the beginning. As you are playing the video now, you are identifying where there is an error so that you will correct your errors and correct your mistakes, all right? So this time now is a time of examination. You are examining the video to know whether there is an error there. Look at this throw. I don't like the throw, so I'm going to come back now to do my necessary adjustment. This throw is not what I want. You can see the throw is not smooth, it's not okay. So you now take time and do your necessary adjustment. As you can see what I am doing now, all right? Just do your necessary adjustment. After that, after you have gotten what you want, all right, then you are good to go. Look at what I am doing. I am taking my time so that I will get the exact thing I want. All right, look at this point now. At this point I feel look at it here. So just take time here so that you will get the exact thing that you want. All right, drag it down. At this point I think I have gotten it. I think I've gotten it here. At this point I think I've gotten the exact thing I want. Just take your time. At this point now, I think I have gotten it. You can see how the throw is going to be now after my adjustment. The same way, look at the throw now. The throw is now fine. You can see now that the throw is now smoother than before. All right, then you drag it down. After that, then you do your necessary adjustment. Good. Look at it now. You can see now the throw is now perfect. All right, so at this point now, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After that, you can now export your video and share it to your social media handles. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After that, you can now export your video with ease. But there is another thing you need to understand here. Remember, you use Auto Remove BG, which is a pro features. All right, if you try to export this video now, you cannot be able because you are not a pro member. All right, but don't worry, in that as well we have got you covered. In one of my videos there, I've recorded on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video, and after watching it, you will learn and know how you will come and export this your video. And after that, you can now export this your video with ease and share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment, and share this video so your YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.